God damn. These buttons are weird. Look at that, the door buttons light up.
7 or 6. Going down?
Hello, yes.
Nice sweater.
Thank you.
We're getting off on 6 because we're going.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm just taking some pictures.
Yeah.
It's such a cool elevator.
well, there's a lot more to see on 6.
Oh yeah, this place is full of them.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out the mall.
Look at the ceiling, it changes. In the mall.
Yeah, there's a big, on the
Thing
big
up there.
screens.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm showing him around. He's from town, so. You have a good
Have
one.
fun.
Thanks, take care.